Some dogs needed some help. Scotty needed to get a real job. We put the 2 and 2 together. Maybe I shouldn't go like this. Maybe I should go like this, because, oh, you'll see.
He was very hands-on.
The Jeff O'Neill Show presents Scotty for Hire.
I'm now watching Godzilla, and she's tethered in this little tank, and I'm watching her and spraying her area with soap and water.
That's fantastic.
You have her tethered and you're spraying her backside.
Sounds like a dream job in Port Moody for Captain Scotty this morning.
What exactly are we looking for?
So you're looking for a small anal sac. Okay.
Can't we just get out a textbook?
Alright.
Oh! I don't want to do this! I was afraid of form bags of poo!
Oh, Scotty!
Oh, now Minnie Boo is presenting. Oh no!
Are you ready?
He's not being a part of this.
Which knuckle are you going to? The first or the second?
You're gonna save me a bit.
He's gonna go to the wrist.
All right, which finger?
I'm gonna go with the middle finger.
The middle finger?
Good, yeah.
So it's up your arse?
Did you get any sort of lube? Is there any lube for poor Minnie B? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, you needed to squeeze some sort of stuff out of the area. Oh, what are you doing? I'm serious. Oh. Oh. Oh, what kind of smell is that? Oh.
This is really what I was looking for, picking up strange dogs' hot food. But I guess that's what we have to do, so you go on a trip to Europe.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Watch where you step. Yeah, you might want to stay out of stuff in your house. You just never know.
This is probably the highlight of my Wednesday.
Actually, you don't want to be on
Let me know if you see anything, Adam.
Oh, what are you doing?
I found one for you, Scott.
Oh, it's steaming! Which one was that? Damn you, O'Neill. Damn you, Karis. There's a hot bag of poo I was dreading.